Good evening, guys. My name is Rohan Vasudev, and in this session, I'm going to be teaching you how to create 3D project in Unity. Okay, so I have already opened my Unity Hub. My version for Unity Hub is 2.4.5. Okay, so there is new version available which is 3.2.0, but I'll be using for the demonstration purpose version 2.4.5. So how to create a project in Unity now? In the last session we saw how to install Unity engine and also Unity Hub. So I've already opened my Unity Hub to create a project. So I just have to go here to create a project which is new. Okay, and I just have to click here. I have to select my version. For the purpose of the demonstration, I am going to be using Unity version 2019.3. Okay, so I just have to click on this. So right now I want to create a 3D project. Okay, so here I will have to put the name for the project. Okay, so I'll just change the name here. My first Unity demo. This is the name of my project, and the location on which my project is getting stored is D drive. You can change the location if you want to store the project in C drive or whatever location you want to store your project. And I just have to click on this create button. Okay. Now this will open your Unity engine. So this is the sample scene that has been created when you create a Unity project. Rename the name of the scene here. We change the name of the scene basically. So how to do that? Okay. So just have to right click here on the sample scene. Select save scene as from here. Okay. Save this scene into the scenes folder. Okay. So my first scene. So let's just save it. You all can see here the name of the scene has been changed now. It's my first scene right now. So let's go into the scenes, and here is our scene, my first scene. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for the session. See you in the next session.